guys, welcome back to the second episode of the EPL Showdown. The first episode obviously went quite well. Let's get right into it. Arsenal versus City 3-0. Come on, lads. Come on.
Gets
Score
in.
boys.
That's it.
Like I
Boys.
said, bro. Like I said.
Go.
Correct, bro.
David
Right.
Luiz.
Bro, let's
Back
get
to
your
the
part of the
win.
story. Come on.
Let
What
it
do you
get
think
it,
about the
Shasti.
game?
Yeah, Shasti.
Okay,
What do you think about the game?
This was all down to probably the worst defensive performance in the Premier League anyone has ever seen. He spent
No, but it's
25
every week
minutes.
for Arsenal now.
It's every
No,
week.
he spent 25 minutes on the pitch, gave away one goal, got a red card, got sent off. I think this was the worst defensive performance I've seen in my life.
One second. Do you think that was a red though?
Yeah.
Okay,
this
so-
is the-
I think it was a
I think it was a
foul,
harsh
for
red.
sure.
Yeah,
It was a foul.
it's
Why
true.
is it
was
a?
harsh
It's,
red.
it's a proper red, bro. Why? He
I think
Nah.
stopped a clear
And-
goal scoring opportunity. He had no intention of getting
It
the
was
ball. It's
soft.
a clear red.
It was soft.
It's a red.
No, but
it doesn't
see,
matter.
Sedge,
Bro, if you foul a player in
the
the
foul itself, the foul started outside the box.
Yeah, but the thing is, it went on. See, that could have been a point. He should have stopped it at the first point of contact. But once he got into the box, David Luiz can't do anything. And the thing is, bro, David Luiz always does this. He gets turned on the wrong side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arsenal.
Yeah.
That is because he anticipates the wrong turn from the
Oi.
forward. That's why he never
That's
stays
like a-
on the
He's
side.
not good enough, bro.
No, but I've seen.
Yeah, I don't think-
like I've seen
If
them
I'm-
give Arsenal not a penalty for worse. They've not given Arsenal penalties for like
See,
worse
Bro, but then
fouls than
I
this.
think
I
I think
agree.
referees just give taking shouts against David Luiz because 9 out of 10 times it ends up being correct. So like you see David Luiz committing a pen like
it's like Delhi Ali diving. Anytime he gets fouled, they're just like,
Right now, but yeah.
get up.
See, if I'm
Bro,
an
but-
Arsenal fan,
Li-
I'm very
No,
concerned
but
about
they,
it.
listen to this match stat. Arsenal didn't even have a single shot on target. Even though you
That's
expected an
mad,
attacking
bro.
lineup.
Yeah, I'm not stunned.
I think that's really expected.
Yeah.
Game plan was never to go and attack City. It was to contain them. And the lineup was for that. And like hit them on the break. Mari's passing is good. Xhaka's passing is good. Both of them are out in the first 30 minutes. And then
Yeah,
you
like
play
I said,
Arsenal
we
decently well.
Shastri, we remember you saying quoting David Onstran, Arsenal players are fit, they're ready to go.
But यार वो उनका थोड़ी fault
Is
है.
that my fault or is that bad journalism? I think David Onstein's a fraud and he should be fired.
Bro, even journalism with Arsenal is bad nowadays, bro.
I think
It's
if
Arsenal,
Mustafi was on the cover for David Luiz, he wouldn't have got a red, but I don't think he was in a position.
I don't think.
No,
I think
he
Mustafi had a
was
solid performance.
Dagdal to him.
He didn't do
Mustafi
anything
was
wrong.
Dagdal. Arey bro, but it's a proper red card on the pen. I don't
Both
think.
of these
Yeah,
were
I
mistakes. None of these
I don't know.
anybody could have done
I'm
anything.
not-
Arey
wrong
bro,
with
this
these.
is the thing.
I think it was very soft.
Yeah, it was.
Well,
But
I think
like
it was
Sahaj
soft.
made a good
Jesus went
point.
down
I think
very
it was a
easily.
goal scoring opportunity.
And
Guys,
bro, if you remember, United versus Chelsea, Hazard, Phil Jones, I think fouled Hazard, and
Yeah.
that he gave a yellow card
Yeah.
because he tried to get the ball. But in
Yeah,
this,
so there are three things.
there was no
That
intention
was
of
the
getting the ball.
FA
But I
Cup
don't
FA
think
Cup
so.
final or
Yeah, it was FA Cup
Yeah.
final. But for some reason, I feel that Jesus went down very easily. I don't know why.
It was no
It was
it was
Mahrez.
Mahrez.
It's
It was
Mahrez.
Sorry,
Mahrez.
Mahrez. Sorry. Mahrez went down pretty easily. according to
Yeah, I
my-
mean
See, I've
initially
seen-
I did feel it was a soft
Bro, the
call.
thing is,
Remember, I don't
I-
think
Yeah.
he talked about going down easily.
Easily, as in, why shouldn't he have gone down?
Exactly, bro. The
Yeah.
thing is, and it was
That's what I'm
proper
saying,
contact. It wasn't even a
See, that's
dive.
what I'm saying. Probably, if I look at it, then I can say ki no, I think it's very soft, but you don't know ki the contact or how much contact actually.
Yeah. See,
I
if
think
it's
like
a
I
goal,
know
it's a red,
him.
Yeah.
but it's like a
I know.
debatable foul also. I thought it should
The
have been outside
debatable
the
foul,
box
yeah.
instead of a
But bro,
penalty.
overall, if you see as an Arsenal fan, if I was
We
an
can't
Arsenal,
hear you.
very concerned about the defense and they have to do something about it. Bro,
Yeah.
otherwise, points we
Not
can
only
get.
defense. I mean, even their midfield and attack. It was.
Bro,
I mean,
midfield and
attack-
attack
attacking
is
was
Can
not
we
good.
play
as-
well? The thing is, bro, these youngsters, they run with the
They
ball
played
very
well.
well.
I mean, Willock had a good game.
And
Willock
Ketia
had-
was
yeah, all of
playing
them.
well against Garcia and Laporte. I was quite surprised.
I think the youngsters
Bro.
did better than the elder players on the pitch.
Eric Garcia
I
good.
think Ceballos did well.
He has made a good impression.
Yeah, Eric, and City put out a tweet saying he's okay and he'd be
Yeah,
out
he's
of his
okay.
Conscious, na?
So that's
He's out
of
good.
his-
That's good news.
He's
Speaking
quite
of Eric
fast.
Garcia, let's talk about City's performance. Let's talk about City's
Okay, no,
performance.
one
Yeah.
second.
Okay, that was
What do
nice.
you
Can we
feel
talk
about,
about-
Luis? One second. What do you feel about Luis owning up to his mistake and coming out? I think I have respect
Yeah, even
No,
I
but that was a
respect him,
very
but कितनी बार
It
करेगा
was-
bro?
that was a very
Okay, so
Wow.
I have the thing is he didn't come out and own up to his mistake. He came up and said it's my fault that I didn't extend my contract earlier. What does
bro.
that
That
mean?
was a
He came
very
out to talk about his
cryptic interview,
contract.
to be honest.
Yeah.
I feel like that was a very cryptic interview. We never got to know what he actually meant, saying I should have made a decision earlier because it's never in his hands, right, to get a contract signed because it's about Arsenal not offering him, I guess.
Okay, makes sense.
I
Yeah.
don't think they're going to
Can
extend
we-
it. I think he's going to leave in June.
Bro, but
Yeah,
then he
he
said
should be.
Arteta likes him, Arsenal wants
Yeah,
him.
Arteta does.
अब
like
वो
him.
तो बोलेगा ही
But
ना,
then
वो थोड़ी
Arteta
बोलेगा
came out-
Arteta it's
Arteta came out and said that there was a reason I didn't select him in the first place.
Yeah.
So it both of them give
What
very
about
opposing
Ozil?
viewpoints. on the
Ozil,
same
what about
thing.
Ozil? Ozil being like
Ozil should also leave, bro.
Ozil now it was
Bro,
just
he-
tactical.
Bro, he
Arteta said
recently
it
tweeted
himself.
out something ki forever Arsenal, some shit like that.
Yeah, he said no matter what on his
No
post.
matter what, yeah.
He knows he has good PR. He knows how to get the fans on his side.
That's
And I
the thing,
fall for
bro.
it.
He does
Bro, but he's here for the money. He's here for the money.
probably.
No, see, I
Obviously,
can
bro.
say he loves the club, but no, he's past it. He's beyond past it.
Yeah,
Bro, I
he
think
sold.
even Aubameyang is very. He looked done with the team last night. He was properly.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
I
he
feel
was
like-
I
frustrated.
think-
He was frustrated.
The entire body language of Arsenal after City just got that first goal. Like in the second half, they came out as if they've already lost the game. Like there was no intent thing.
Bro, it lets you down. The team had a good performance till the last
In the first
45th
half.
minute.
Hmm.
And it's just that one mistake ruins everything. And then giving away a penalty down to 10 men. I
That's
think it
true.
shatters anyone's confidence in
But
the
then,
team.
to be
was the
honest,
worst
that's,
time to
that's,
concede.
it's part of the game.
But
Man. We need to
Shastri-
come out strong.
Shastri, what are the positives that you took out of this game?
So I think the first 45 minutes, nobody's going to attack City. Nobody's going to go on the front foot. They contain them relatively well.
Yeah.
They did.
Well.
They weren't too overrun towards the end. Maybe once Luis came on, they were like getting chances. But I think I could see what he had in mind. And if we had the correct personnel at that time, didn't lose Xhaka, didn't lose Mari, we would have been okay. Maybe lost by 2 goals,
I
not lost
think-
by 3. Maybe scored 1 galti se.
The
But-
first 20 minutes, yeah, I felt that Arsenal were at some sort of control.
I
so-
think.
but
Don't
bro,
you
how
think
do we-
Ceballos did well?
So
I think-
he was tenacious in the midfield. He made tackles. He moved the ball around
Sorry,
relatively
Jaden.
well. But there's no creator in the team.
Jaden, where's the timer now?
Yeah, bro. It's time.
And bro, I think City
Editor.
did well in. नहीं काटना मत चुप रहे. I think City did well in isolating Guendouzi in the middle, bro. You saw he got the ball at 5 of the City
Yeah.
players were on him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think City
City
does
press
this
very
well
They
with
broke the
everyone.
press once.
Yeah.
Arsenal broke the press only once in the whole game.
Hmm.
Bro,
But that's it.
I think
You see,
Guendouzi
bro-
also he gets slightly flustered when there's pressure on him. He's a good player, but with experience, I think he learned more composure.
I have a question.
He has a lot
Do you all
to
think? Do you all think that David Silva has 2-3 years remaining in him to play?
And here, too, he has only.
Bro, he's agreed to go to
Yeah,
that
he's moving.
retirement club. So
I'm just saying,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
irrespective of that.
Yeah, I think
But
he can.
still, I don't think
Yeah,
he
he has
good
it in
in
him.
Bro, one
He
more
has it,
thing.
yeah.
He can play a good second fiddle role to someone.
Doesn't
Bro,
doesn't
Like,
lose
he
the
can
ball.
stay as a backup.
Yeah.
Bro, he's always in that pocket.
He's-
Doesn't lose.
Hmm.
I love his
Yeah,
runs,
yeah.
off the ball runs.
Yeah.
His positioning
too
is
good.
very good, very strong.
Okay, are we
Bro.
going to talk about City now?
Can
Yeah,
we
Yeah.
can we talk about Aston Villa, Sheffield?
Yeah, can we talk about Timo Werner, please?
Bro.
Team Ziyech, please.
I
We
got.
can't talk about this
Our
season.
time is up.
Talk about this season.
Can we
I
see
got
your
it.
team, bro?
He's
They
good
all-
at it.
Okay, Grealish or Madison
Just shut up.
for England.
Sorry?
Grealish.
Grealish, yeah. Madison,
big time.
he's not pretty.
Madison's a luxury player. You don't want him
Yeah,
as
he's
a
not that
Oh
consistent.
yeah.
to play
I think the
around
thing is, I think Grealish is a better player, but Grealish looks so much better because Madison plays in a much better team. So if you're playing in a worse team, Grealish stands
Correct.
out in the
Agreed.
team, bro. So he takes the ball, he comes deep, he does everything for Aston Villa. Every attack goes to Jack Grealish in that team. But Madison, on the other hand, he might get shadowed by Jamie Vardy.
Yeah, because he has players as good as him around. Yeah.
But I feel like
Bro, but
Grealish
first-
has a
first-
sort of arrogance in him, which makes him that kind of
Was it a
lethal
goal?
player.
Bro, I
Was it
don't
a
think
goal?
he expects anything from his teammates. He does everything on his own.
Obviously,
And
yeah.
he plays like a
He's like
proper
carrying the
boy
team.
with his socks
I
so
think
low and he runs
The
away
two
with the
people
ball.
who stand out for me in that team are McGinn and Grealish. McGinn is also
Yeah,
very
Again,
underrated.
it's quite good,
With
yeah.
his birth rate. And
Definitely.
he's also like a box-to-box kind of a guy. He's always the first one to run into the box.
Yeah.
Bro,
Usually-
was it a goal though? Was it a goal?
Big time.
Main
Yeah,
thing.
Bro,
Yeah,
100%.
yeah, obviously a
There's
goal,
no
bro.
doubt
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it.
Bro,
There is no doubt
VAR
about
as
that.
usual. VAR as usual, bro.
That was
Had to
another
jack it down.
embarrassment.
Acha, Arnold, VAR in or VAR out? Just start
VAR
with
out.
G.
Obviously, VAR
VAR
out.
out.
Everyone,
100%.
everyone
Everyone is
except
out.
everyone
Yeah,
but
I
No,
Venambra,
the thing
obviously.
is, I think
I mean,
the
if
thing
it-
is, I like the concept about it, but I think the implementation has been the.
No,
The
bro,
thing is,
I think it takes
the
away.
English FA thinks that there's some innovators, they'll change the rules and make it better than it
Piss
The
off,
actually is.
piss
They
off.
don't use it
has been
properly.
poor.
Nah,
Bro,
I
but
don't
Venambra,
know.
Bro,
Chatting
it
shit.
takes
VAR
away the moment. It takes away from the moment
It
of
takes away,
storytelling.
See,
Yeah,
like in
bro.
Champions
Bro.
League, they implemented it well, but in Premier
No,
League, it's
I
been
don't think it's-
shambolic. It's been atrocious, honestly.
But Venambra, VAR has been beautiful for United, to be honest. Why would you be against
Actually,
it?
genuinely.
Okay,
Yeah,
see, I
Yeah,
know
reason.
I mean, I feel it's VAR has been your best player.
see, if you see out of
Even for
whatever
Liverpool,
decisions,
even for
Not Paul
Liverpool.
Pogba.
whatever decisions we got in favor, are most of them have been right. So you can 2-3 you can debate about it. but
Nah, bro, nah. You
It's not
can't say they
decisions
were
for
right.
I'll
you,
tell
but
you
it's
what
decisions
was wrong.
against other teams which have gone in your favor, which maybe you all didn't deserve.
Well said, well said.
So probably
Manan, what do you have to say?
The Everton
I
match.
too, I was always VAR out before, even if before it was implemented.
Yeah,
also,
bro,
I
that's-
said,
Sale VAR
don't
has
The
give
thing
your
is,
ass
I can
covered
accept
Keep the game
but
Morrisville.
ठीक है.
I can accept normal referee mistakes, but then once you have assistants and you still make mistakes,
Exactly,
then it's
bro.
like,
That's what I'm saying.
Doesn't
make
The
sense.
implementation has been so bad. I think they have
Shit,
to-
bro, it's shit.
I was on
I think
Vinamra's
they
boat for
should have
a.
it is
really.
acceptable, but technology
Sorry?
mistakes, I don't think anyone can accept.
What
Sorry.
said? What do you say?
What was Manan saying?
I was saying human
Technology
mistakes were
mistakes.
still acceptable by the linesmen and the
Yeah.
referees, but I think
Have they-
technology making a mistake.
Have they given an explanation for it yet? No.
Nah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they-
Yeah, bro.
The
They
technology
gave the
people
Hawkeye
for the
statement.
goal line technology said something.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
they
the-
said
so
we are
the-
very sorry. That has never happened in the history of something.
हाँ तो
And
4 years.
it should have been the goal. They admitted that.
They said
basically put it as an
basically,
But
anomaly.
what? It wasn't
before the
working.
game.
Oh, so it was
It wasn't
working.
a
And
They said it was
Yeah,
working
so
before.
Bro,
basically-
but that's a
during the
big.
game something
That's
happened.
a big thing. Then if it wasn't there
It's a big-
entirely, then that was fine. But bro, it not working properly is a big thing because it might go wrong.
And bro,
Big
everyone is
game.
blaming the referee for some reason, but I think the referee couldn't have done
No,
anything.
but there's a
Yeah,
reason
no.
they have
Bro,
those linesmen
but
now
not
behind
the
the goal to
referee.
see if the ball's
No,
crossed.
Abhi,
No,
bro,
I'm talking
but
about
don't
I'm talking
forget
about Michael
that.
Oliver.
Bro, but VAR would have clearly seen that the ball has crossed
Exactly.
the line. So it should have
Yeah,
been
exactly.
in
There are
VAR's power
some-
to overturn the
There are
decision.
some sort of hard and fast rules that you can't.
Bro,
Yeah,
that's
bro,
the
that's
thing.
why it is ridiculous.
The rule
That's
That's
exactly
the
why
point of
VAR
VAR
should get
to
out.
overturn
That's
wrong
exactly
decisions.
why VAR should get out.
Like if VAR can't do that, there's no point of it being in the game.
Exactly.
Bro,
yes,
they made the rules
Like, that's-
really
that's-
strict and to the point.
Yeah,
and
the
it-
rules
are-
bro, it's pointless.
It obviously doesn't make any sense. I think we all can agree on.
Yeah.
But the thing is that this goal wasn't even controversial. It is
Exactly.
the ball
Yeah,
is
everyone
touching the
knows.
net with the
Sure,
keeper
bro.
inside. There's nothing about even it's a goal in end of story. Wait, I think the referee actually deserves criticism for this. Like
No.
if he
I
can't
think
see
but-
this, then
Bro,
You know,
bro,
but
the
the
referee
referee
can't
can't
do
go
it.
against
VAR deserves
technology.
criticism for this.
He's not
He
gonna
has
go
to
against the
follow what is
technology.
there, huh?
yeah,
that we agreed. Yeah.
But I think it's
He has
such
to
an
follow
anomaly.
the
The referee
points.
should take it into his own hands. Now he can
No.
see.
Abhi, bro,
the
but
keeper.
it's-
Yeah, he can see it. He
Unprecedented,
can see
yeah.
the TV.
But that's what now. There's some hardened. There are rules.
Oh, yeah, that
No,
was the
no,
absolute
yeah.
bollock.
They said only for penalties they can go or red cards
Yeah.
they can go and
Bro,
it's not allowed
this
for
is why I
everything.
like the way it's being implemented in the Bundesliga, when the on-field referee actually goes pitch side and
Bro,
sees
but
it actually on a camera and takes the best decision.
Waste of
That's
time,
way
man.
better
It takes
than-
so much time.
But at
So
least you get the
time
right
consuming.
decision, man.
No, but
So either
a big decision like this, I think, is calling for him to go and actually see it compared to like normal fouls and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean,
They
yeah, I
all-
agree with that. I mean, he
They
has
all
to.
think-
There has to be an
they-
on the screen.
Sorry,
Yeah, go on.
Bold.
No, I'm done. I think there has to be some sort of a on pitch screen for reference to the referees. They can't trust their
it's
own.
momentum of the team that is on top. That is why the EPL didn't.
Boy, bro. And the injuries
I
also
guess,
increase.
guys, I guess
Don't give
VAR
goals,
and
it ruins the team
VAR is
anyway.
an entirely different topic. I mean, we can have a separate video altogether.
Yeah, we
We'll
can have
keep
like a
chatting
40, I
all
can
about
talk
it.
Yeah, yeah,
40 minutes
yeah.
about VAR.
We
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
forever
forget
on
that.
VAR in, VAR
Okay,
out.
sorry.
All right, guys, let's move on to the next big fixture which we have of the top 6. Chelsea versus Aston Villa. Jeet Sahaj. Come on,
Villa
guys,
Chelsea.
get it in. What is and Chelsea with Timo Werner coming up? What are your thoughts on this fixture?
Bro, forget the fixture. Let's talk about Timo Werner first and Hakim Ziyech first. I'm
That's
mad
not
gas.
the point of this.
Mad gas, bro. Forget the fixture, bro. I just want to play the next season right now already.
Just give them the league for signings, I guess. We've got
I mean-
Timo.
I can really see an Arsenal fan getting really scared.
Oh, piss off.
Okay. Okay, so in terms of the fixture, I really look forward to seeing Chelsea play again. But then it's playing a relegation team, and that's always a bit tricky. And I think Aston Villa played well against Sheffield. They almost deserved the win in terms of stats. So I wouldn't expect an easy game, but then hopefully Chelsea get the 3 points.
So I don't think it. The thing is, Chelsea's attacking line, we don't know how fit they are. We don't know who's going to start. Hopefully, Pulisic is going to start. But I think all we need to do to stop Aston Villa scoring is to just mark Grealish. And who do you think should start for Chelsea in the middle three? Jorginho is injured, no?
Jorginho suspended for this game.
Suspended.
So I think it'll be Kante and Kovacic playing if Kante is match fit.
Barkley.
And if Kante is not, then it'll probably be Mount or
RLC.
Barkley playing.
Do you
But
think
yeah, RLC is back, but I don't think he'll start, bro. Like,
even
he'll be
I don't
subbed
think
on.
but he's been playing well in the preseason now.
Bro, RLC is amazing, bro. Like, a fit
Anything more
RLC is
might
like a
start.
January signing for us.
So you'll need to hear this match that whenever Chelsea have played Aston Villa at Villa Park, 9 out of 10 times they'll have lost. Is that
That's what I'm
I
saying,
mean,
bro.
Where is the
Like-
fact in this? ये fact क्या है?
it's
Whenever
a
Chelsea has played
Your
nine
known
out of
fact
10
that y'all
times.
have lost. So 9 out of 10. I mean, I don't know. In recent times, I don't know, but at least in 16-17, y'all had lost most of the games at Aston Villa.
Bro, but this is the thing with Chelsea, like, they drop points against teams they shouldn't be dropping. And they
I
actually
remember
decent
this
against
game.
top 6.
Delphat
we
scored that
dropped one
flick,
against-
na, this game. The one Chelsea had lost. Delphat scored a flick, I think.
What was it? I don't remember.
Pounder had played very well.
Bro, and Villa Park is kind of like a hunting ground for.
But bro,
I mean, you're
without fans, I
kind
don't
of-
think it's got as much
Yeah.
charm as it used
You
to.
see, even in the Bundesliga, the away wins has gone up.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Hmm.
It just takes a punch out of the game.
Yeah,
But I think
so, like,
Villa can surprise all. They drew
Yeah,
against
yeah,
United.
I think, yeah.
Villa can surprise.
definitely,
Yeah.
bro.
Bro, they've got
And
Tyrone
especially
Mings.
the fact
Bro,
that they're...
sorry, go on.
No, go on.
So, bro, against Sheffield, Tyrone Mings was going up like he was playing like an overlapping centre back. From centre back, he was running up. So that might cause Chelsea.
Bro, he's a-
because Chelsea are poor at marking. If you go to see any of Chelsea's games, the far post man is always free. As we
Yeah.
look at comes narrow, even the left back comes narrow, whoever is playing, and the right guy is full free. So I think that's the.
Many
of
teams have
concern.
been following this principle that you mark Grealish and you mark Aston Villa. And with you mentioning that Chelsea's marking is poor, do you think you actually might face problems then?
Bro,
I
we'll definitely face problems. But I think it's a game about, do Villa want to avoid relegation more or Chelsea want top 4 more? Whoever's got more motivation is going to grab that 3 points.
Yeah,
I
I
feel.
don't think you can predict a lot in the first game of the lockdown. Anything can happen. You don't know how fit players are.
This
You
is
don't
actually
know
Villa's
what
second
mentality
game.
there is.
So-
Sorry, second game.
Maybe
What is
they are
your-
tired also. So you never know. Villa
Yeah, we
might have
can-
lost their legs after their first game.
Possibly.
Jeetan said, what is your ideal back two? Because you all have asked,
Chal.
they all had some
That's
sort
a
of.
sticky
That's a
one.
nice question.
Go on, Jeet.
That's a really sticky
So
one.
give a back
Like,
four. Give a back four.
Chal,
Aspect-
I'll tell you mine.
yeah, go
Go
on.
on.
Okay. So Aspi right back for now.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, Aspi right back, centre back. I think Christensen is our best defender. Unpopular opinion, but I think Rudiger is good. But the thing with Rudiger is he is very good at. He's a great athlete. His physicality is great. But in one-on-one defending, I think Christensen is far better. And Rudiger is kind of a player like if you have to make a last-ditch tackle, he's gonna go and make it, which I don't think Christensen will. But 1v1, I think Christensen is much better. So Christensen, Rudiger,
Whatever.
and left back, I'll go for Emerson.
Fair enough. I think Emerson wasn't exactly in his best form before lockdown.
He's
So
So
now-
don't you all think you all need to play Reece at right back and Aspi left because Aspi is a lot of left back in his career.
yeah, but the thing
Bro,
is,
obviously-
right-footed left back, I don't think fits well. That's why
Same,
I'm
I don't
going
like
for
that
him.
concept.
Yeah.
I don't like the whole
Yeah.
left
I
side.
like-
Gandhi
Five
is the
defense.
only successful one.
That is very mean of you.
And like Alonso's been in pretty good form. Like he keeps scoring goals. So I wouldn't put him off the team right now. I'd start with Alonso at left back, and I would be indifferent between Reece and Aspie at right back. Aspie gives you more sort of certainty in terms of discipline, and Reece has been in and out of the team because of his injury record and the fact that this is his first season. So like I wouldn't be surprised if Aspie ends this season as a starting right back and Reece takes over next season. And in terms of the back two, I think I'll go with Christensen and Zuma. Like Zuma is reckless
Ooh,
sometimes because
he's
like
a fool.
he is reckless, but then like when he
He's
does
a
have a good
fool.
game, he has a mad game and like he ensures
Yeah,
that
fair,
clean
fair,
sheet
fair.
if he's on it.
Yeah.
So I just hope that Zuma's got that motivation in him. Because like Rudiger is great, but
Makes
then
sense.
he does have his lapses like Luis.
So that's what the thing is. Zuma is very eccentric, bro. He'll play very
Yeah.
well one game, and then last minute he might make a
Yeah.
mistake. And
I think he needs to be given confidence, and probably
But
this is his
yeah,
one last
he's
shot at a
also a
club.
very good athlete. I think both, even Fikayo for that matter. He
Even tomorrow is
Zuma is
set,
bad with the ball, bro. He's not great with the ball.
Yeah, he's a bit. Yeah, he gets tensed as soon as he receives the ball and like getting down
Rudiger
the
is much
back line.
better on the ball.
Do you all
I can't
prefer
believe-
Barkley or Mount
Mount
Uh,
any day of the week.
as a third? Mount.
Barkley.
I think I like him better.
I like Barkley better.
I like
Thing
Mount
is,
because he has the
Barkley's-
goal scoring ability.
I think Mount has performed better
Ah.
this season
Yeah,
because he's played
Mount.
more. But
Thing is, Mount
it's a
does
tough
a
fight.
lot of off the ball work in terms of pressing, winning the ball back, and like making those off the ball runs. Barkley, all that he can do is with the ball, not without the ball. So that's one of his problems. And like Barkley switches from being a Ferrari to like a shit car in like 2 seconds.
Shit
That's his
car.
problem, bro. Like
Maruti बोल दे.
I don't know. I just couldn't find an example. So like that's the problem with him, bro. You never know what form is Barkley in. But Mount, you can guarantee a decent performance whenever he starts, in my opinion.
would you prefer Chilwell or the other options?
The thing is,
In Telles.
I would prefer Telles
Or
over.
Telles or
Same.
Tagliafico. No same.
Even
thing
I
with Telles is like,
prefer Tagliafico.
I mean,
Bolo.
I actually prefer Chilwell, sorry, because he's very young, firstly, and like I think he's got a very good chemistry with Frank and the backroom staff. He got like they really, really rate him that they're willing to pay 50, 60 million for him.
Oh, they're asking for
And like even
80.
Ashley, yeah, but I don't think we'll end up paying 80 given the situation. And obviously, after all, he's a left back, bro. You don't pay 80 million for a left back. Chelsea's not going to pay
Yeah,
that. They'll
big
probably
time.
switch
Yeah,
over to
that's all.
Tagliafico. Yeah.
So if
So I think if we get him, it'll be for 45 million tops. I think.
yeah, I think that's a fair
And
price
that'll
for
be-
him. But anything above 50 is, I think, a bit much. 50.
Yeah, anything above 50 is not justified in my opinion. But
Hmm.
if it's below 50, I'll take a shot with him because even Ashley Cole has spoken really well about him. And like, if Ashley Cole praises a left back, I think he must have substance to him. Sort of.
When you want to ask something.
I can't believe that I'm going to ask this question, but who is your goalkeeper preference, Caballero or the manager himself, Kepa Arrizabalaga?
Kepa, bro.
So sticky one, bro.
I think you have to take
Kepa,
Kepa.
Kepa. Any,
Like,
bro, the
Yeah, I
thing-
have to take Kepa,
Yeah.
bro.
It was just a sarcastic question.
he's
Don't
not
doubt
a
Kepa.
bad keeper. He's
He's
also
having a
eccentric.
very season, but he's good.
He just lost his
Yeah.
confidence this season.
Yeah.
He's sort of shaky at the moment.
Yeah, he's
But
not
then
yeah,
It's
I liked his response after he was dropped for like 3 or 4 Premier League games.
Yeah,
when he
but
came back
bro-
against Liverpool, made those triple saves.
bro, but
Ooh, yeah.
big from Frank to
yeah,
drop
he
him.
was absolutely top that game.
I think
Yeah,
Lampard
but he
is
goes
a
to drop a
proper
70
71
million goal.
goalkeeper.
Bro,
Exactly.
yeah, bro.
I think he's
Takes balls, man.
strong-minded as a manager.
Yeah, which
and
is
I
why
don't think-
I trust Lampard with Chilwell. Like I might like Telles more than Chilwell, but the fact that Lampard wants him so badly, I'm like,
probably.
give that guy whatever he wants, man.
And that's why I think he might not even start Werner in the first few games of the next season. I think he'll keep his faith in Tammy until Werner proves himself.
Oh, I actually see him playing both Tammy and Werner
Do
together.
you think we're going to play two up top?
Yeah, bro. Not
Yes, sir.
essentially 2 up
For
top.
two.
Maybe
Or
2 up
Werner
top,
on
or
the wing.
Werner plays on the left wing. Left wing, yeah.
Werner
Did you
is-
see?
No. I feel that Tammy should be he should be developed again into the team. So Werner should start up front and left wing Pulisic. And yeah, I had a question. So now Willian and Pedro are at the end of their contract. So would you all see replacing them? I mean,
They
obviously,
already replaced one with Ziyech now.
Caltech.
Already replaced.
Yeah.
Caltech and
yeah.
Ziyech.
So according to the media reports,
Callum Hudson, whatever.
so
His
True.
Instagram
yeah,
name is.
he's already in. But then we are linked with Syed Ben Rama and Kai Havertz. So it could
Ben
be
Rama's
the
linked to a lot of clubs.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, but
Leicester too, I
I'm
think.
I'm thoda conflicted about it because he seems that kind of player who does everything but doesn't give the end ball. So I'd rather have a player who give me the end ball,
Who are you talking
not
about?
do all those tricks and all. Yeah.
Who are you talking about, Vinny?
This was in respect with who? Ben Rama.
Ben Rama. Ben Rama.
Acha.
Yeah, Ben Rama.
He's Algerian, no?
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, he's Algerian.
Since Jorginho is suspended, you all think Gilmore will start?
I think it's a fair
There's
shot.
good chance. I think there's a good chance.
Yeah, why
he can
not
start.
actually? I don't see why not.
And the thing is, he plays at the same
Excited to see
position.
him play.
He also plays deep lying midfielder. वो similar positions
Yes,
will
yeah.
play.
He's
I
a,
feel
Like he
like,
played, he played the last two games before the break, and like he was the man of the match in both of these games. So I don't see Lampard dropping him, to be honest.
Yeah,
But
and
I
you
think
know,
a lot of it also depends on the fitness level, bro. It might change the whole
Definitely,
team.
yeah. True, but then
Let's see.
Kante has not
And
actually been that fit
uh,
this season. So
Yeah, that's true.
It's
He was
a
not willing
recurring
to come back
injury,
to
not from
training.
last season only.
I think it's
It's
the
a
one he
knee
got
injury.
before the Europa League final, and then he.
वो knee injury, no?
All right, we
Oh,
move on to the
Dino.
next
It's
picture.
all Dino
Dino's
now.
finally getting to speak in this podcast. Dino. Liverpool versus Everton at Goodison Park. What are your thoughts on this picture?
So very excited for the Merseyside derby and very excited for the EPL to resume. We finally might get to lift the trophy. But yeah, so I don't think Everton has had the best EPL. They are 12 losses, just two shy from Watford, who had a terrible season and are 14 losses. So, and
He does
Ancelotti,
research.
yeah.
He's on his phone.
and Ancelotti hasn't made some huge improvement. Although let's see, he might do well only. So let's see. But yeah, so according to reports, Walcott has also suffered an injury and is out for the month of June.
Ooh.
Yerry Mina is
Yeah.
out, and
Alright.
even
lot of injuries.
Delta, you know.
yeah, a lot of injuries. So let's see. And Liverpool had a good game against Blackburn. It was, although Salah wasn't playing, but reports are saying that there are no concerns regarding his injury. He's completely fit. So yeah, so I think it's going to be a very comfortable game for Liverpool.
So
Dino, I'm
last
damn
season,
impressed.
Liverpool
Dino, wait.
dropped.
We have to compliment him. Dino,
वही
क्या मस्त research करके आया है.
beautiful. Report said this, report said that. क्या छाया bro? बहुत है, दिल जीत गया.
How do you know the losses? How do you know the stats?
रट्टा मार के आई.
Premier League table तेरे phone पे है क्या?
नहीं
And some research.
Oh man!
God, bro.
Bro, mad chal, well done.
Sorry for interrupting.
Resume.
Jaden, continue.
हाँ.
Yeah, so Liverpool last season they lost the title at Goodison Park because they slipped off to a 0-0 draw at Goodison Park. Do you think this season they also might have a minor slip up towards the title?
No chance.
No, I don't think they'll ever slip up at all. Even see, there are many speculations that the lockdown has come at a right time for Liverpool. But see, I agree that Watford game was disappointing. It was Watford also playing very well and Liverpool playing very bad. So we got beaten in both aspects. Even match facts reflect that everywhere. But people are saying even we suffered against Atletico. I think against Atletico we played a typical game of pressing and
You outplayed Atletico. Definitely.
Yeah, so and Atletico has this knack that the moment they'll get one goal with their superb defending, they are just going to sit back and just wait for the counter. So even against Atletico, we were very good. So I don't think much should be made about what Liverpool's form was before the lockdown. And yeah, they don't have to overanalyze stuff, just reflect on what's happened. And no, I don't think it'll be a slip up this time against the Titans.
I mean, they need 2 wins. So even
Yeah,
if they're
just
in
2
bad
wins,
form,
yeah.
they have a better team than
There's
most
no
teams
chance.
in 2
There's no
games
chance
anyhow.
of them
Yeah.
slipping
And
up.
Everton couldn't beat Liverpool's under 19. So forget
I
about
like
it. They're-
under.
True.
I think they might. There's It's not that it'll be a clean sweep. I think Everton
The
might.
thing is, I've said, I think,
Yeah,
I said
I
this
think it's
every
going to be-
season that Everton has a chance. Everton has a chance.
Ancelotti
but
has
they
done
never have a
well.
chance.
You know.
Yeah,
Ancelotti has done pretty well.
No,
I
but
think it's going to
I'm
be a
just
tight
saying. See,
Go on, go
tight
on.
game. I think the scoreline might be tight because Liverpool hasn't been having in the Premier League. They haven't been getting like huge margins. Even against Sheffield, against Bournemouth, we've got very narrow wins.
11-1 nils, na? In the season.
Yeah, correct. So, in that aspect, I think it might be. It might say just slap you.
Goal. Sorry.
So then, in that aspect, like the scoreline might reflect that it's tight, but in terms of the game and all, I don't think there'll be. And we all were assuming a scrappy performance from EPL teams, but I think they started off pretty
Oh,
well,
yeah, I
like
think
better
they
than the
started off
Bundesliga
decent.
teams.
Yeah, definitely.
City were playing as if they never left. They were warming up for the
Yeah,
final.
exactly. They were
I
very
think
smooth.
because bro,
on
it's
the ball.
Arsenal, yeah. Anyone can do that against Arsenal.
Excuse me, we won 2-2 at Stamford Bridge. Why?
Yeah, exactly. Bro. That's a big fat W, bro. Big fat W.
Acha, so my question is, do you think Liverpool will be as dominant next season?
Ooh.
As dominant next season, I think they'll be good only. I think, but the other teams will really improve since Pogba is back. Everyone's fit for every club, so I think the deficit will for sure reduce.
Africa
But
Budek. Go on.
yeah, I think the deficit will for sure reduce. But yeah, I see Liverpool being as good as they are.
But then you think they'll still be as good without any new signings like they did this year?
See, I think the team atmosphere and everything was just so good, and they were just so comfortable in their own skin that they really don't change. They don't have to change much of the team chemistry. So yeah, I'm as a Liverpool fan, I'm surely disappointed that we let Werner go, but at the other end, it doesn't pinch us that hard. So it's fine.
Ooh.
We should come out of
That's
Are you
this.
not
sure?
really, bro.
Are you
Bro,
sure?
I see tears there, bro.
No, I really love Firmino. So I'm glad that now he'll get more space and more confidence, knowing that
But see-
there's not much competition.
No,
But
but do
see,
you
your
think
quality
competition
is really
makes
good. But
players
then,
better?
yeah, and like one injury to Salah, and you've got no one on the
That's my
bench.
question. That's my question, mate.
Oh,
Hey,
sorry,
the
Vinamra.
biggest thing is that two of them are leaving for AFCON during January.
Correct, yeah.
Salah will leave,
Yeah.
Mane will leave. So you need somebody to replace them. Origi can't play forever.
Let
And
Correct,
Shaqiri,
yeah.
I think they'll sell him.
Vinamra, ask a question, please.
Bro, that's what. No, my question is this only. So basically, if Liverpool is one or two injury, a Salah or a Mane injury.
Mana.
No, this
No
was
cut.
great.
Keep it.
No, this is insane.
This will be our Instagram page.
Salah and there is Salah and Mane injury from having Origi and probably Shaqiri as their attack. So don't you think they have to strengthen? They have to get a backup.
Yeah. I think Liverpool's bench strength is not the best, but on the other hand, it's also like it's really tougher when Liverpool, I feel, to get any star players back because I feel and I also think that they won't bench any of the players. So to get a star player and to guarantee them game time will be really tough. So they have to look to develop only whatever they have because
Bro, but then
I don't think for
that's not gonna
another
benefit
one
Liverpool.
to
Bro, but the thing is,
But
Dino,
that's
that's
not
not necessarily true, bro. You see big players going to bigger clubs
Correct.
every day, even though they have good 11.
Yeah.
Like, bro,
Look at
Griezmann
Madrid.
went to Barcelona when Suarez was there. Lautaro might go to Barcelona when Griezmann and Suarez are there. So I don't think it's a
correct.
chal. But I think they might sign someone. They should sign
And more
someone.
than
too.
anything,
They have to
Firmino sort of
They should
aging,
for sure
so
sign someone. Yeah.
get somebody.
I think
get
they
someone
have to
now who
increase
will
the
replace him
bench.
later.
They signed
And
Minamino
we-
na in January.
Yeah, but then
But he's
that's
also
not
He's
direct.
been bang
he's
average.
not been like the best.
Yeah,
He's not
he's
hit the
bang
ground
average.
running.
Minamino.
And
You know, got off to the best of starts, but I think he can be a good player.
I
Have
think
we
give
not
any
seen
foreign
enough
player
of
at
him,
least
bro?
a year before.
Yeah, he
judge
needs
them.
for a time to develop.
and
Yeah,
about
Dino,
the-
do you attribute Liverpool's
Yeah.
success to their defense or their attack?
Good question.
Uh, a tough question. See, I don't think they've been very, very good defensively, but I think the defense has also attacked very well. You have Van Dijk coming out heading the ball. You have Robertson and Alexander being at their best. So I think it's really a combination of two which have brought in the success. So in that way, I think the attack has favored them more, but I don't think they've been the best in defending only.
Dino, don't you think your defense has let you down in the big moments this season, especially the Atletico game where
I think that's the only game they've been let down.
No.
The Watford game, I don't think
the
they
thing
had
is,
much
no,
riding
it's
on
not
it.
just about the Watford game. It's about the game before that. I think that's why
when I asked
the question about the dominance, this is why I don't think they'll be as dominant as they were.
Because they're leaking
Because,
goals.
bro, they are getting found out. They are getting found out.
Definitely.
People
No,
are
Trent-
attacking Trent. People are attacking Robo.
Trent
Even
is
Robo.
getting
Yeah.
exposed. What do you feel about Trent, Dino? What do you feel about his defensive capabilities, barring his crossing? Obviously, it's attacking, as I say, but his defensive abilities have been very exposed this season, especially in the big games.
Yeah, so I agree that's like a big loophole in the Liverpool defense. But like at the end of the day, I think he's really perfecting the job that he's given. Like Liverpool is choosing him over other right backs because of the way he's coming forward. So that way, I see every player I think has a flaw, and this is a big flaw knowing that Trent is a right back. But I think like Trent is doing much more than the cost that he's paying for it.
Bro, so I think
Fair enough, yeah.
Trent is doing the job he's given. I don't think we should blame Trent for not defending
Correct.
because that's not his. It's
Yeah, bro.
literally not his job.
He's not being chosen
He's
for
told
that.
to
Yeah.
go up and attack the ball and go wide. Bro, you always see
Correct.
whenever Trent is going up, you see Henderson coming wide. You see Fabinho
Yeah.
coming wide.
Correct.
So it's not
There's
that
someone always.
there's someone always covering for him.
Someone
I don't
always
think
backing
it's discredit to Trent that he's not defending. It's not his job.
Liverpool have played to his strengths perfectly.
Exactly.
They know
Yeah.
what he can do, they know what he can't do,
Yeah.
and they've done it.
Yeah.
But at the same
Yeah.
time, I think people are finding
Yeah,
out that
it's
that's
a
his weakness,
loophole.
and that's why, like, bro,
Correct.
even the game preceding the Watford game, Liverpool were getting open on the counter and
Found
the
out.
teams
Yeah.
were attacking them. So I think Klopp is a mastermind. He might switch it up and fix that. But
And
And
do
if
you
you
think
defend against
Liverpool
Liverpool, people have found it out. You defend narrow,
I do
and if
think
you have good centre backs, you can sort of find them out
that's what Atletico
relatively
did the
easily.
whole game, bro.
Do you think? See, obviously, it's worked that they're depending. Most of the assists are dependent on their fullbacks, and their midfield is more of the engine. But what do you think? Their midfield needs to be more creative, or it's fine the way it is?
I think it's a good mixture. You have Fabinho who's running and marking and making all the important tackles. You've got Wijnaldum who's very, very creative in his own way. And then you have Henderson who's being the leader that he is. So that's why I think that I'm saying the combination has worked out so well for Liverpool that there's not much to change. Obviously, you have to look at the bigger picture, but I mean, at this point, I think they are very, very good even in the midfield.
Yeah.
And I think they have creative options. They have Oxlade
Correct.
Chamberlain, they have
They
Navigator.
have Chamberlain.
So if they
Exactly.
really want somebody to create, they have them.
Lallana
as a
is leaving,
backup.
no?
Shaqiri, yeah, he's just
Hi guys, so all of us have decided to predict all the games in the Premier League game week, and so we're only gonna show the big games on camera, and the rest we're gonna show to you on the screen. So let's start with the first big game: Everton versus Liverpool. Jeet, what's your prediction?
I'm going with 2-0 to Liverpool.
All right, Manan,
I'll go for a 2-1 win to Liverpool.
1 win. Okay, Shastri.
3-0 to Liverpool.
Okay, Vinamro.
1-0 to Liverpool. I think they're going to dominate, but I don't see a lot of goals. 1-0.
Jaden.
I would say 1-0 for Liverpool.
All right, Dino.
3-1 to Liverpool.
3-1. Okay, and I'm gonna go for 2-0 myself. Next game is Aston Villa Chelsea. Jeet.
I see 3-1 to Chelsea with Timo Werner scoring.
Timo Werner is not playing.
I know, man.
That's a joke. That's a joke.
What did I give? Manan.
I say 2-0 to Chelsea.
2-0. Okay, Shastri.
2-1 to Chelsea. They'll edge it. Just.
Okay, Vinamro.
Going with the same 2-1 to Chelsea.
Jaden?
I would say 2-1 to Villa.
Oh, that's a big
That's a naughty one.
You know?
1-0 to Chelsea.
Sorry? 1-0.
1-0 to Chelsea, yeah.
Alright. And I think I was gonna go 2-1, but everyone's gone 2-1, so I'll just go 1-0. So that's it. And here is the rest of our predictions.
Yeah, you're listening now. They say they ain't heard nothing like this in a while. That's why they play my song on so many different dials. Cause I got more hits than a disciplined child. So when they
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And please follow our Instagram as well as Twitter. Instagram on EPL Radio and Twitter on the EPL Showdown. Thank you and bye.
Come on, next
Guys,
week.
we all.
Eric Turner.